Imagine a motorhome that feels like a private jet on wheels, a revolution in RV design. The Mercedes-Benz-powered Rapido 996M is a beast of luxury with a bathroom layout so unique, it's rewriting the rulebook of mobile living. This isn't just an RV, it's the future of luxury on the move. The first impression? Absolute dominance. The Rapido 996M doesn't just drive down the road, it glides like a luxury liner, slicing through the air with confidence. Its aerodynamic silhouette, sculpted curves, and Mercedes front grille make it impossible to ignore. The LED headlights pierce through darkness with a precise, intelligent glow, while the chrome accents shimmer like jewelry under sunlight. Built on the legendary Mercedes Sprinter chassis, this machine redefines what an RV can look like. The proportions are balanced yet bold, with flush-mounted windows and a streamlined roofline that enhances airflow and fuel efficiency. The craftsmanship is meticulous. Every panel gap, every finish speaks of German precision. The Rapido 996M even integrates solar-ready roof panels and satellite connectivity. From a distance, it looks more like a futuristic command vehicle than a camper. It's elegant, it's assertive, and it carries the Mercedes badge with pride. Step inside and prepare to have your senses elevated. The Rapido 996M's interior is where luxury and innovation collide. The cockpit feels like a digital command center. Twin 10-inch displays provide real-time navigation, system diagnostics, and entertainment. The driver's seat isn't just comfortable, it's sculpted for long-haul serenity, with memory foam, heating, and lumbar adjustments that make every journey feel effortless. Move into the lounge, and the ambience transforms. LED ambient lighting fades from cool daylight to warm evening tones. The upholstery, soft grain leather with double stitching, wraps around you like a designer glove. The panoramic windows flood the space with light, while the acoustic insulation creates pin-drop silence. Now, let's talk about the masterpiece, the bathroom layout. It's not just unique, it's revolutionary. Instead of being tucked into a corner, the Rapido 996M's bathroom is modular and expansive. A sliding partition system transforms the rear section into a full spa. The shower, with a circular glass enclosure, feels like stepping into a boutique hotel. The sink extends outward on a telescopic arm, while hidden compartments hold cosmetics and towels. Even the toilet module is engineered for comfort, odor-sealed, heated, and adjustable. Mirrors are anti-fog, with integrated lighting that reacts to your movements. And ventilation? Whisper-quiet fans maintain air circulation while preserving privacy. This is the kind of bathroom that makes you forget you're inside a motorhome. The kitchen is equally refined. Dual-burner induction cooktops, soft close drawers, and a refrigerator that blends seamlessly into the cabinetry. There's even a concealed wine rack and touch-sensitive panels for lighting and climate. Every inch has a purpose. No wasted space, no compromise. Beneath the artistry, the Rapido 996M is still a machine of power and precision. It's propelled by Mercedes' 3.0-liter V6 turbo diesel engine, a powerhouse delivering up to 210 horsepower and 450 newton-meters of torque. This ensures confident cruising, even when fully loaded with passengers, water, and gear. Paired with a 9G-tronic automatic transmission, gear shifts are buttery smooth, responding intelligently to gradients and throttle pressure. The ride quality is pure Mercedes, balanced, quiet, controlled. Thanks to adaptive suspension and reinforced stabilizers, even rough roads feel like velvet. The driving position gives you panoramic visibility, while driver aids, lane keep assist, adaptive cruise, and hill descent control handle the rest. And with an average range of over 500 miles per tank, this motorhome isn't afraid of long journeys. It's not about racing, it's about presence. The 996M feels steady, majestic, unstoppable. It's the kind of power that whispers instead of shouting, the kind that earns respect without demanding it. Luxury is nothing without safety, and here the 996M excels. Drawing from Mercedes' advanced driver assist suite, it includes emergency braking assist, crosswind stabilization, blind spot monitoring, and 360-degree cameras for effortless maneuvering. But Rapido adds its own innovations: intelligent weight distribution sensors, thermal insulation with moisture detection, and even a self-leveling hydraulic system that automatically balances the motorhome on uneven terrain. The onboard monitoring system displays everything: tire pressure, tank levels, battery status, and interior climate, all accessible through the main touchscreen or your smartphone. Even the water system is smart. Heated lines prevent freezing in winter, while ultraviolet purification ensures drinking water quality anywhere in the world. Windows are double glazed, and the walls are lined with acoustic foam to maintain serene quiet. The Rapido 996M doesn't just protect you. It anticipates your needs. It's like having a digital co-pilot always awake, always watching, always ready. Let's face it, luxury motorhomes are evolving fast. Brands like Airstream, Winnebago, and Newmar have pushed the boundaries. But Rapido just changed the game. The 996M doesn't just compete, it redefines the category. In a world where space and comfort often clash, Rapido delivers both, harmoniously. That bathroom layout is a statement of design intelligence, proving that even within limited space, innovation can thrive. Now, luxury like this doesn't come cheap. Depending on customization, the Rapido 996M can easily cost between $800,000 and $1.2 million USD. But consider what you're getting: Mercedes engineering, Rapido craftsmanship, and a home that feels more luxurious than most city apartments. For the ultra-premium RV buyer, this is more than transport. It's a declaration of lifestyle, a blend of freedom and finesse. There are luxury RVs, and then there's the Rapido 996M. Its modular bathroom alone elevates it into another league. It's not just convenience, it's architecture in motion. Add the Mercedes chassis, the safety systems, and Rapido's artistry, and you get a creation that embodies both performance and peace. It's for the explorer who demands perfection, the traveler who refuses compromise. Whether parked beside a mountain lake or rolling through neon city streets, the 996M commands admiration. This is not a motorhome built for everyone. It's built for those who understand what everything truly means. The Rapido 996M isn't just redefining luxury travel, it's revolutionizing what it means to live on the move. With Mercedes-Benz precision under the hood and Rapido's visionary design inside, this machine blurs the line between vehicle and home. Its futuristic layout, state-of-the-art tech, and that jaw-dropping bathroom prove one thing: the future of RV living has already arrived. So, what do you think? Would you trade your home for the open road if it looked like this? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to MotoTech Homes for more cinematic reviews of the world's most advanced luxury vehicles and motorhomes shaping tomorrow, today. Because luxury is no longer a place, it's wherever you decide to park it.